everyone, start off by drawing the shape of an R and then connect it and make it into a B. Now using the same marker, fill it in and then afterwards in the front, add a face of a little girl. In the back, you may add the girl's hands in a pocket and then at the bottom, add the boots. Add little dots of rain using a blue marker. Next, start off by drawing this opposite V and then connect it to a U at the base. Now add two Ds on the side. This will make the little girl's face and the ears, and now afterwards draw on the eyes and the smile. Now proceed on to draw the rest of her body. We have added a little skirt for her. At the top, make it look like she's wearing a little ponytail. Then draw multiple balloons at the top. We have drawn 4 and then make the girl hold the strings. Then at the bottom, don't forget to draw her legs and color in her shoes. Color it in as you please. Next, start off by drawing the hair of a little girl. First, we have started off by drawing the bangs, then we will proceed on to draw the ears. Now, in the bottom, make a curved shape to make the bottom of the face. Then, draw on the eyes and a cute little smile. At the top, make it circular in order to make the head and then connect it to the ponytail at the back. Now, draw the little girl's shirt and then draw the detailing of the hair as such. We are drawing little strands everywhere. Afterwards, color it in. We have colored her in blue and brown accordingly. Next, take 2 lines and then start off by making these shapes. Now connect the 2 shapes and then make a mother and child outfit. Draw the detailing such as the hair, the eyes, and then the back. Then you may draw the little baby, start off with the face, and afterwards draw the eyes, the eyelashes, and everything else. Connect the little baby to the mother, and once you are done, you may color it in any color you please. We have colored it in orange and pink accordingly. Next, we will start off by drawing an opposite V, then draw the hair, afterwards connect it to a little face. We have drawn the ears to begin with, now draw a U shape for the base of the face, then around it, draw the rest of the hair. Afterwards, draw on the eyes as such, add a cute little smiley face, and draw on the rest of the little girl's body. After this, draw the hair at the back and then color it in. Next, we will start off by drawing a little bow. Start with the center, then move on to the sides. Afterwards, draw a pair of ears at the back and then add another bow in the middle at the neck area. Add a cute little smile along with the eyes and then draw on the rest of the body. Afterwards, color it in as you please. Next, start off by drawing a circle that will make the head, then draw the hair of the circular face. Afterwards, add a cute little ponytail at the back, add the face, and then draw the little girl's rest of the clothes as such. We have given her pants and then add on the hands and the legs at the base and the sides as such. Make her hold a little broom, color it in as you please. Next, start off by drawing an opposite V shape and then draw U at the base. Draw on the ears and then draw a little curved shape at the top in order to make the rest of the head. Now add cute little smile along with the eyes, and then in front you may continue on and draw the rest of the outfit. At the back and the sides you may also continue on and draw the braids of the little girl. Now add polka dots to the shirt and then color it in any color. Thank you for watching.